If you've ever dreamed of starting your own business, but thought, I don't have the money for that, then today's video is just for you. We're exploring 5 incredible examples of businesses you can start with $0. Yes, you heard that right, $0. And a little help from our AI friend, ChatGPT. So whether you're here in sunny Los Angeles like me, or anywhere else in the world, get ready to be inspired. Let's get started. Business Idea 1. Kicking things off with our first business idea, starting your own copywriter agency. Imagine harnessing the power of words to drive sales and boost business revenues. That's what you'd be doing by creating compelling email marketing campaigns, persuasive sales pages, captivating product copy, and even crafting the entire narrative for websites. A good sales copy is not just writing. It's about understanding human psychology, what makes people tick, and ultimately, what drives them to make a purchase. Words have the power to start and end wars, and in the world of business, they have the power to skyrocket conversion rates. Imagine improving a small business's conversion rate by 20%. That could directly translate to a 20% increase in revenue. But to truly make a difference, you need to master your craft with tools like ChatGPT, offering a level of expertise that business owners can't achieve on their own. Starting with a $0 budget? Cold acquisition is your best friend. Reach out directly to potential clients through social media, offer to write a free piece of copy as a demonstration of your skills, or even send personalized emails showcasing how you can elevate their brand with just the power of words. And if you're ready to invest a bit into growing your business, consider using platforms like Yellow Pages for targeted outreach, or dive into online advertising with Google or Facebook ads. The key is to highlight the tangible benefits your copywriting can bring to a business, making it an investment they can't afford to miss. With the right approach and a bit of creativity, your copywriting agency can become an indispensable asset to businesses looking to make their mark. Remember, in the world of sales, the pen, or keyboard, is mightier than the sword. Business Idea 2. In our second business idea, we delve into the realm of customer support automation, a service that sets up systems for small businesses to fully automate their customer support. While many business owners recognize the potential benefits of automation, increased efficiency, 24/7 customer support, and reduced workload, they often lack the time or knowledge to implement such systems. This is where your expertise comes in. The process of setting up automated customer support involves integrating chatbots, AI-driven help desks, and automated response systems that can handle a wide range of customer inquiries without human intervention. For a business owner, the thought of providing instant, around-the-clock support to their customers without needing to hire more staff is incredibly appealing. Moreover, just as many small business owners are willing to invest in a good website to establish their online presence, they are also likely to see the value in a well-set-up customer support automation system. With a budget range of $1,000 to $2,500, they can offer their customers a seamless support experience, significantly enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. For customer acquisition, tapping into this market involves reaching out to small business owners who are aware of the necessity but overwhelmed by the prospect of setting up such a system. Offering a clear, straightforward plan for integration and showcasing the immediate benefits of automation, such as improved customer engagement and reduced operational costs, can make your service an attractive proposition. By presenting yourself as the bridge that simplifies technology for them, you can alleviate their overwhelm and introduce them to the benefits of automation. Networking events, online forums, and direct outreach through emails or social media platforms are effective ways to connect with potential clients. Demonstrating your success stories or case studies can also significantly boost your credibility and attract more clients to your service. By stepping into this niche, you not only help businesses evolve with technology, but also establish a lucrative venture for yourself. Remember, in the digital age, making technology accessible and beneficial for all is a powerful proposition. Business Idea 3. Diving into our third business idea, we spotlight the unique niche of starting an intro writer agency for YouTubers. In today's digital era, content creation has evolved into a full-blown industry, with professional YouTubers investing in a wide array of services to enhance their content quality, including video editing, filming, creating film sets, and adding special effects. Among these essential services, one stands out for its critical impact on viewer engagement: writing compelling intros for YouTube videos. The introduction of a video is pivotal. It determines whether viewers stay to watch the entire video or click away. This makes the skill of crafting engaging intros invaluable for YouTubers, as it can significantly affect their viewership numbers and, consequently, their earnings. A well-written intro can capture the audience's attention, setting the tone for the video and encouraging viewers to stay engaged. For professional YouTubers, the stakes are high, as the quality of their video intros can either contribute to their success or cost them tens of thousands of dollars in potential revenue. However, not all YouTubers have the resources or the need to hire a full-time intro writer. This gap in the market presents a golden opportunity for an intro writer agency. Such an agency can offer customized intro writing services, catering to YouTubers who seek to make their videos stand out, but without the commitment of adding a permanent member to their team. To connect with potential clients, leveraging online platforms tailored to the creator industry is key. Websites and forums where YouTubers seek freelancers and agencies for content creation services are ideal places to offer your intro writing services. By showcasing your ability to craft intros that resonate with different audiences and highlight the unique style of each YouTuber, you can attract a diverse clientele. Furthermore, providing samples of your work, testimonials from satisfied clients, and flexible package offerings can enhance your agency's appeal. Offering a range of services from basic intro writing to more comprehensive content strategy consultations can cater to varying needs and budgets, making your services accessible to a broader range of YouTubers. By founding an intro writer agency, you not only fill a specific niche within the expansive YouTube content creation ecosystem, but also enable creators to maximize their engagement and potential earnings. This business idea taps into the heart of digital content creation, offering a specialized service that can make a significant difference in the competitive world of YouTube. Business Idea 4. For our fourth business idea, we explore the lucrative opportunity of chatbot development for businesses. In an age where instant communication is not just preferred but expected by customers, chatbots have become an indispensable tool for businesses across all sectors. They provide a cost-effective solution for enhancing customer engagement, automating responses to frequently asked questions, and even handling sales processes. The journey of creating a chatbot involves understanding a business's needs, identifying the common queries their customers have, and developing a bot that not only answers those questions, but also embodies the brand's voice and ethos. This personalized approach ensures that the chatbot acts as an extension of the business's customer service team, available 24/7 to assist customers. Businesses, especially small and medium-sized enterprises, are often aware of the benefits of chatbots, but may lack the technical expertise or resources to develop one. This is where your skills and services become invaluable. By offering to design, implement, and maintain custom chatbots, you can help businesses improve their customer interaction, increase sales, and even gather valuable data on customer preferences and behaviors. For pricing, the cost can vary widely, depending on the complexity of the chatbot, integration requirements, and ongoing maintenance. However, given the significant benefits and cost savings over time, compared to hiring additional customer service staff, many businesses are willing to invest in this technology. Acquiring customers for your chatbot development business can be approached in several ways. Networking with business owners at industry events, showcasing your chatbot solutions on social media, and creating demo versions that potential clients can interact with are effective strategies. Additionally, offering a free trial period or a basic version of your chatbot can provide businesses a risk-free way to experience the benefits firsthand, making them more likely to invest in more sophisticated solutions. As you establish your chatbot development business, remember that your goal is to help businesses connect with their customers more effectively. By providing a service that enhances customer experience while streamlining operations, you position yourself as a vital asset in the digital transformation of businesses. Business Idea 5. Our fifth business idea shines a spotlight on the burgeoning field of no-code app development. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, the demand for mobile applications across industries is skyrocketing. However, not every business has the technical expertise or resources to dive into traditional app development, which is often time-consuming and costly. This is where no-code app development platforms come into play, democratizing the app creation process and enabling individuals and businesses to build their own apps without writing a single line of code. No-code app development is a game changer for entrepreneurs, small businesses, and non-technical individuals who have innovative app ideas but lack programming skills. By utilizing drag-and-drop interfaces and pre-built templates offered by no-code platforms, you can help clients bring their app ideas to life quickly and efficiently. This approach significantly reduces development time and costs, making it an attractive option for businesses looking to establish or expand their digital presence without a hefty investment. Starting a no-code app development business involves becoming proficient in using no-code platforms, understanding the capabilities and limitations of these tools, and keeping abreast of the latest trends and features. Your role as a no-code developer is to guide clients through the app development process, from conceptualization to design, development, and deployment, ensuring their vision is realized with the functionality they need. For customer acquisition, focus on industries that greatly benefit from mobile apps but may not have the technical know-how, such as retail, education, fitness, and small-scale service providers. Marketing your services through social media, content marketing, such as blogging about no-code development tips and best practices, and networking at industry events can help attract clients. Additionally, offering free workshops or webinars on the benefits of no-code app development can showcase your expertise and attract potential customers. Pricing your services can vary based on the complexity of the app, the platform used, and the level of customization required. Offering tiered pricing packages can cater to a range of client needs, from simple informational apps to more complex e-commerce platforms. By positioning yourself as a no-code app development expert, you not only capitalize on a growing market need, but also empower businesses to step into the mobile app world. This business idea taps into the spirit of innovation, making app development accessible to a wider audience and opening up endless possibilities for digital engagement. All ideas, not financial advice, for entertainment purpose only. Click here to watch more.